Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KIDSYD. This is what we are going for today.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice, still in the roof. Stuck around the feel it's kinda good. I kissing the boob. Fuck it up and now she coming too. Flex, man I'm flex. We go up and down, it's kinda sick.
Yeah, so let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing that we do, we're gonna click to this icon here, and then you go to the pitch correct sample. Then it's gonna open a new tone, and once you are in there, you're gonna click to this scissor type of thing and go to the scale, and we search for our scale. This is minor C. And remember guys, this is only if you're using auto tune on your vocals. So my lead vocal is on track number 4. This is my lead. Yeah.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice, still in the roof.
So once we have our scale, we're gonna load our auto tune. We're gonna load our auto tune, and on our scale this is minor, our key is C, and then our input type is alto, and our return speed is about 7. Flex, I didn't touch it, and then natural vibrator didn't touch it. Our humanize is about 12. This is the vocal with the auto tune in it.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your teeth
with the auto tune. And then the next thing that we do, we're gonna load up our parametric EQ2, and we count the lows, we boost the high, we boost the mid and the highs. So actually, as you see here, like, this is super boost. I mean, like, damn. And I cut a lot of the lows here. Let's listen to the vocal with the EQ in it.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice, still in the.
Yeah, the reason why I cut out the lot of the lows is because of my voice, like, it has a lot of bass in it, so I just want it to sound smooth as possible. And then after our EQ, we're gonna go for the Maximus. This is, I use it for DS. We go to the presets, and then we have 2 presets here that you can use here. You select the one and you're good to go. And then the next thing we go to our sound goodizer. So we have 4 presets here, but let's listen to the vocal with the sound goodizer in it.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness.
Without.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness.
And guys, excuse the noise. I mean, like, the background noise. I mean, like, it's windy outside there. So yeah. So the vocal with the sound goodizer in it.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness.
So it gives like more energy and such, So we have 4 presets here, so you can choose whatever you feel like your voice fit in.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness.
Remember I said that I just wanted to sound I don't know how to say it, but some kind of smooth with a lot of highs in it. So like I didn't want a lot of bass. If I will go for this one. Let's listen.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't.
And then after Sound Gudeza, we go to the compressor, and my threshold is about minus 23.1 dB, and then the ratio is about 3.3:1, and then my gain is about 7.1. So this is with the compressor in it.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't.
And then the next thing, we go to frugiflanges or whatever. We go to a frugiflanges, and then this is a default, and then we decrease the mix level here.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties.
And after frugiflanges, we go to a reverb, and then we play with the word here, and then maybe the size, and then the high cut. Let's listen to the vocal, and then the separation, let's make it about 40% or 41%. This is with the reverb in it.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't.
And then after the reverb, we go to the delay. So I use the delay to fruity delay to, and then our feedback, let's make it p-point, and then I decrease the cutoff frequency to about 15%, and then my time is about 4. It's about 3.46. Then we are good to go. Let's listen.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit.
Then now we are done with the lead vocal, so we're gonna go to the backgrounding vocal. I don't mean the ad libs, but I mean this vocal.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice stay in the roof.
Yeah, so this is the vocal that we focus on now. So it's on track number 5. So auto tune is the very same, and then fruity parametric is the very same, de-esser is the very same, and then sound gudeza is the same. But you can play with these knobs here, guys. Like it don't have to be the same. It's just that you go with what you feel like is the best for you. So for this one, I increased the amount of this sound gudeza here, and then and then the compressor, my threshold is about minus 23.1, and then the ratio is about 3.3, and the gain is about 7.1. And then after the compressor, this is what we focus on now as a backgrounding lead vocal. So we're gonna go for fruity stereo enhancer, and then let me do this. We go to the stereo fruity enhancer here, and then to our presets we go for strings, and then let me switch off the flanges, reverb, delay, and this month.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace.
I really hope you can hear the difference, and then we have a flangers here.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit.
And after flangers, we go to the fruity reverb. We go to the fruity reverb, and then we decrease the width.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit.
About 8% should be fine.
Give me that is looking.
Because it's actually it depends on each and every vocal. So for me, I felt like it's right below 15%, so I just choose. Now we are at 11%, so we are good to go.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness.
Sometimes you get slightly changes, or like you don't have to always hear the reverb. Let me do this.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit.
We don't need this, or we don't always need this, so you can add the reverb and still feel like there's no reverb in the vocal. But if you are a producer, you should hear that, and I hope you all know what I mean. So we don't need a much reverb in this vocal, so it's gonna differ for each and every vocal or whatever song that I make. So after fruity reverb, we go to the delay. Here we add a delay because we didn't add the delay on the lead vocal. So let me switch on the lead vocal.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titty. Give me.
So our fruity delay, we have a normal feedback is normal, and then our cutoff is about 15%, and then our time is about 4, and then I didn't touch everything here. So this is it with the delay in it.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice down in the roof, stuck around the feelings kinda good.
Yeah, so after the delay, we go to the fruity splitter. Yeah, fruity splitter, where it is. Oh, okay, where it is. I thought I saw it, but damn. Keyboard splitter, what the heck? Okay, we go to our filters. Then we go to our filters, and then we have a frequency splitter, not fruity splitter, but frequency splitter. So after the delay, we go to the frequency splitter here, and then it is on filter. So this is the default. This is our default one, and then remember, I don't want the lows, so I'm gonna make like it's more like I'm gonna say cut. And then we have our mid main output, our high main output. So we're gonna increase this one, but we increase it with the lead vocal in it. So like we listen to the both vocals.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit.
And then after you feel like your mids are fine, now you can go to the highs now.
Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties.
Yeah, and we are good to go. Like you can let's switch off the backgrounding vocal.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit.
Let's switch it on.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Eyes stay in the roof.
Yeah, so this is pretty good now. So it's like we are nowhere. Where are we going now? So I feel like this.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties.
Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. On our next video, I'm gonna show you how to mix the ad-libs like
Kinda sweet. Visit if you. Oh yeah. Change the pace until the finish. I just you just see your titties in the roof. Feel it's kinda good in the boob. Now she coming too.
yeah. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to comment and please leave a like. Love you all. Peace.
Gimme that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Eyes stay in the roof.